Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi.
We have this question here. Find the value of a and b if the following pair of equations have infinitely many solutions. And we are given these two equations. Now, for two equations, a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0 to have infinitely many solutions, this condition should be satisfied. A1 by A2 should be equal to B1 by B2 should be equal to C1 by C2. This shows infinitely many solutions. That is, their coefficients must be in proportion. So, in our equations, therefore, for given equations, we have 30 divided by 2a plus 3b should be equal to 66 divided by 3a plus 2b, and that should be equal to 60 divided by minus 30, which is equal to 1 minus 2. So it should be equal to minus 2 by 1. Now let's see what we can do. We can remove this 16 minus 2 by 1. Now we can form two equations in a and b variables to find the value of a and b. So we get 30 equal to 2a plus 3b multiplied by minus 2, which gives us minus 2 can go over to left side and divide 30. So we get 2a plus 3b equal to minus 15, and if we take this minus 15 over to left hand side, we get, let's see, 2a plus 3b plus 15 equal to 0. Let's call it equation A. Similarly, by equating this with this, we get second equation. So 66 is equal to 3a plus 2b multiplied by minus 2, which gives us minus 2 will divide over to left side, and we have 3a plus 2b plus 33 equal to 0. That will be our equation B. Now to solve this and find values of a and b, we'll use cross multiplication method. So by cross multiplication method, a divided by b1 c2 minus c1 b2 equal to b divided by c1 a2 minus a1 c2 should be equal to 1 divided by a1 b2 minus b1 a2. So by simply putting these coefficients here, we get the values of a and b. So we get a equal to b1 c2 is a equal to b1 c2 minus c1 b2 divided by a1 b2 minus b1 a2. I have equated this with this. So we get from C, okay, this is from C that we get this. So that is equal to, let's see, 3 multiplied by 33 minus 15 multiplied by 2 divided by a1 b2 means 2 multiplied by 2 minus 3 multiplied by 3, which is equal to, we can take 3 out common from both terms in numerator. So we have 33 minus 5 2s are 10 divided by 2 2s are 4 minus 9, so which is equal to I miswrote here. It has to be B, not 2B. So this will be B, not 2B. Again, here I'll have to correct B, not 2B. So my coefficients will change a bit. Let me write it again. So we have B1 C2, meaning 3 multiplied by 33 minus 15 multiplied by 1 divided by 2 multiplied by 1 minus 3 multiplied by 3, which is equal to, we can take 3 common out from both the terms in numerator. So we have 3 multiplied by 33 minus 5 divided by 2 minus 9 is 7. So minus 7. We have 3 multiplied by 28 by minus 7, which is equal to minus 12. 7 ones are 7 fours are. So minus 4 multiplied by 3 is minus 12. So this is the value of A. Let's look for value of B. So to find value of B, what we'll do is we'll write C1 A2 minus A1 C2 divided by A1 B2 minus B1 A2. Now C1 A2 is, C1 is 15 multiplied by A2 is 3 minus A1 is 2 multiplied by C2 is 33 divided by, we have the same thing, 2 multiplied by 1 minus 3 multiplied by 3, which is equal to, we can take 3 common out of all of these. So we have 15 minus, when we take 3 out of here we get 11 here, so 11 twos are 22. So 15 minus 22, we are left with 22 here divided by minus 7, which is equal to 3 multiplied by minus 7 by minus 7, which is equal to 3. So we get value of A is equal to minus 12 and value of B is equal to 3. So this is the answer. For value of A equal to minus 12 and B equal to 3, given equations have infinite solutions.